This is a janitrol. I can tell because of the thing, and there is no refrigerant in system. This unit has a bag compressor. Here is a comfortmaker unit and a trane unit. I'm going to make this quick. We need to go around until here is a strange air conditioner. I don't know. This looks like a... Turn on the light.
Coming. No problem.
It looks like a Nordyne unit. And they would have written bag compressor. No bag compressor. And this one. Here's a fairly new Gibson, I think, and a carry-around one. Air conditioning. And then last but not least, we need to go to the other side. And getting quite a chill out here. I'm sorry about the camera going to be in a room. Here is a higher unit, a grandaire, and a trane. And that's all I have right now. Bye.